started the last time, which was Unit 8 robots. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about the structure or the grammar of the unit, which is, as I told you before, or I hinted, if conditionals. I hope that you have already taken them before, and I hope that you are going to remember them with me. If conditionals اللي هي حالات الشرط, and as you know we have 4 if cases. عندنا 4 حالات ل if, which starts with 0 conditional or الحالة الصفرية من if. طبعا الفورم بتاعها عندنا if or when plus present simple, and the second sentence will be present simple too. عشان كده عندنا اسمها الحالة الصفرية. طبعا we use it to talk about facts and true things. استخدم الحالة الصفرية استخدم الحالة الصفرية to talk about facts and true things, الحقائق والأشياء المعتادة أو الأشياء الثابتة. If or when we heat water it boils, for example, طبعا it's a fact. If or when ice is heated, should notice that such a sentence is in the passive form. It's the same meaning like the first sentence, but in a passive form. If or when ice is heated, it melts. Another sentence which is related to true things or habitual things, الأشياء المعتادة الحدوث يعني. If I feel hungry, I usually have a sandwich. طبعا لما بشعر بوجود شيء معتاد, you can add many other examples like if I feel tired, I go to bed. If I feel tired, I see a doctor. If I feel thirsty, I drink some water, and so on. Here is the first conditional, which consists of if or when plus present simple. The second sentence will, may, can plus infinite. Here is an example. We use it to talk about events or situations that we think are possible or probable in the future. استخدم طبعا if الحالة الأولى to talk about events or situations, المواقف أو الأحداث اللي احنا متوقعة الحدوث سواء في المضارع أو في المستقبل. If you do your best, you'll get what you want. If the present simple could be طبعا the second part could be request or order. For example, is if there is a problem, ask for help as an order. If present simple subject, we can use it for advice. استخدم should instead of will, may, or can. If you are ill, you should see a doctor. You can replace it by must for strong advice, as we have taken already. Second conditional, طبعا حالة الشرط الثانية كم من if past simple. The other sentence would be subject plus what could, might plus infinitive. طبعا what could, might are the past form of will, can, and may. We use the second conditional to talk about situations that are imaginary or unluckily in the present or future. أشياء طبعا خيالية متخيلة ممكن تحصل أو لا. طبعا جامدة في present or future. If he studied hard, he will get high marks. We use it for advice also, as we have already taken when we talked about should and shouldn't. I told you that such a form, which is if I were you, I would or wouldn't waste my time. طبعا هنا it's an equal to shouldn't. If I were you, you should notice that all pronouns, the second conditional will take where. يعني it's supposed that I, he, she, it, the singular pronouns take was, but in the second conditional all pronouns will take where, the form of verb to be. For imaginary and advice, it could يعني was could be used, to be sure. Was could be used, but if we are talking about something which could be a fact, it could happen, حاجة ممكن تحصل. Note that we use where with all pronouns in the case of lack of possibility or for advice, as I have just told you. If I were rich, I would help the poor. The third conditional consists of if plus past perfect, the second sentence subject plus would, could, might, had plus PP or past participle. We use it to talk about past situations or action that didn't happen. طبعا ممكن نتكلم عن حدث في الماضي لم يحدث، يعني ممكن يكون sort of regret or blame، ممكن يكون ندم أو عتاب أو لوم. If you had attended the party you would have been happy he didn't attend the party by the way. يعني there's an example exercise on the vocabulary and the grammar. I hope that you stop the video and try your best to answer them or some of them. We are going to take the rest of our important vocabs and then a feedback. طبعا feedback in Arabic معناها التغذية الراجعة. To be sure that someone's understood what you have told him. يعني تأكد ان اللي قدامك ده فهم اللي انت قلته ولا لا، بتعمله حاجة اسمها تغذية راجعة. Translation طبعا translation هي الترجمة. عندنا verb translate. If you remember the last unit we have taken interpreting or interpretation اللي هو تأويل أو التفسير. يعني for the most part it's oral but translation is verbal. Advantages طبعا advantages اللي هي المزايا and then disadvantages اللي هي العيوب. So advantages and disadvantages are equals to pros and cons are equals to merits and demerits. كل دي مزايا وعيوب. App actually it's an abbreviation for the word application. Quiz اللي هو تطبيق، يعني quiz طبعا اللي هو اختبار أو أداء قصير. Advice طبعا نصيحة but here is device. طبعا الديفايس هو جهاز أو اختراع أو ابتكار. It's an equal to machine, an item or a thing or an object. Stress معناها طبعا الضغط، ضغط الشغل طبعا. وعندنا stressed as an adjective تدينا معنى مضغوط. Yeah. Positive طبعا positive معناها شيء إيجابي. Negative طبعا سلبي. Positive attitude عندنا negative attitude اللي هو السلوك إيجابي وسلوك سلبي. Comment طبعا اللي هو التعليق أو يعلق كverb comment on. Human being طبعا we are all human beings اللي هو البشر، يعني الجنس البشري. Admit طبعا معناها يقر أو يعترف. Admittance معناها إقرار أو اعتراف، يعني ممتد معنى حضور. Documentary طبعا عندنا document اللي هو تقرير أو مستند أو ملف. Documentary معناها وثائقي صفة. Documentary films الأفلام الوثائقية. Argument طبعا I think that we have taken the last unit. Argument اللي هو الجدال. Argue يجادل. I don't like it at all argument. Electronic طبعا هي إلكتروني، عندنا إلكترونيات كتير. electronic يعني إلكتروني. Extreme معناها شديد أو متطرف. Extremist معناها شخص متطرف، يعني can be unequal to terrorist. Details طبعا اللي هي التفاصيل. When you tell me something in details معناها أنت تقول لي حاجة بالتفصيل. Personal معناها شخصي personality الشخصية. Imagination اللي هو الخيال. Imagine يتخيل. Progress اللي هو التقدم أو التطور. In progress it can be phrasal verb means something is developing quickly. In progress. Download طبعا download اللي هو تحميل، طبعا it's an opposite to upload. When you upload something you put it on a site, but when you download something you take it to your device or computer. Understanding طبعا اللي هو الفهم، وعندنا misunderstanding اللي هو سوء الفهم. طبعا here is an exercise about the vocab of the second lesson. I hope inshallah that you got benefit. It was Mr. Abu Dahab. Dear students, see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.